May's project of the month is this tall wall storage room delivered through Jake Reynolds with Reynolds Business Systems. This new in-plant enclosure will serve as his customer's new storage room, holding spare machine parts and tools for their maintenance department. The room includes an 8-foot wide roll-up door and high ceilings to provide convenient forklift access to the storage space. Panel-Built utilized our stackable wall systems to reach an overall height of 16 feet 10 inches for the 1,200 square foot enclosure. Thanks to Jake Reynolds and Reynolds Business Systems for the great photos and for ensuring another successful project. If you have a newly installed Panel-Built project, submit your photos to info@panelbuilt.com for your chance to win next month's Project of the Month.